Hello guys, I'm back to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing Animal Hospital. So let's go. It's my first time playing this game, but I have played this game before. I'm already gone. So you need to wait for visitor. My top shift is shift 5. So yeah, this is an anomaly. This is an anomaly. Big. Okay, room 1. Okay, I'm gonna stay at the office and do this. It's all the same. What's up, guys? How much is it? 20 bullets. Okay. Room 2. Okay, I'm gonna go to oh, this girl was stealing my room, bro. Boom. Who is the best employee since we are on shift 2 now? Nah, it's tweaking, Chad. It's tweaking. Ain't no way. Tweaking, bro. This is an anomaly. This is an anomaly. Nah, bro. This is an anomaly. You are an anomaly. Bro, I need coffee. Got room 3, okay. Damn. Room 3 and it's 3 minutes. Hope I get out of here soon. No, you will. I see you. Come! Bro, Sophie, come. Bro, Sophie, come. Come in this room. Come in this room. Good girl. A good boy. Okay. She's asleep right now. Okay, let's go. What does she need? Oh my gosh, I must quickly went out of Roblox. Make sure to like and subscribe and see some more videos like this. Let's just let her recover. You'll be get out of here soon. Okay, what is whatever. Shop is also closed. Wow. She fainted. Oh my gosh. No, room 2, room 2, room 2. No way. She put. No way, bro. That's crazy. There's ain't no way. She put him or he in the trash. Okay, stop the breaking. And the burrito. What's up, Bagus? No, I don't have enough money. Look, what's this person? Oh! Oh! No. Oh, coffee. I'm not gonna give you coffee. What do you mean? No. No, bro. This is an anomaly. This is an anomaly. This is an anomaly, bro. Yeah, good. Go away. No service. I'm leaving. Yeah, leave. Let's go. Okay, I feel like this is an anomaly, but it's not. Okay, let's go. Let's inspect this person. Okay, it's fine. Lights 33. Okay. This is lobby. Okay, no anomalies. Game stamp details. Take a photo. Need to inspect this person. Yeah, I got room 6. Okay, wait. Excuse me. Jump scare. Oh. Ma'am, come. You're so slow. You're so slow. Whoa, where are you going? Maybe like, where are you going? Okay, ma'am, you're ready. You're ready. Copy the sequence. Red, blue, green. Herbs, cough syrup, and ointments. Oh, there's a stalker. Damn, wait, my sanity. I need more sanity, bro. I actually need more sanity. I need more sanity. Sanity is very good for you guys. Do this one, bro. Yeah, let's do it. Come. 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 I promise you'll get out of here soon. Hello, we could come. But let me just go. Now she's listening to my video on my phone. Come, you're so slow. Damn. Okay. To the DNA sample. Five. Okay. Three things. Recovering. I need more coffee. Give me some more coffee. Or honestly. I'm gonna sit here for so long. Why? Just we'll take care of you guys. Just come. Why can't we go outside? Oh, we cannot go outside. Why? It's like it's always nights in this game. Hospital is full. My sanity reaches 0, it dies. I need more coffee, bro. So let's just wait. Okay, someone's here. Who's here? What the fudge? Who is here? Sanity. How many patients? What? Oh yeah, I don't look up there. Red thing. Okay. Damn. Cough syrup, have you dropped in your kid? Okay, she got it. This person is still not done recovering. How long is it gonna take? Send the burrito. Okay, she's recovered. You're welcome. Yeah, finally. Oh, no, wait. Come. There's stories about this place. What do you mean? Oh, there is stories. Ooh, ma'am, you're gonna have some trouble. Damn, this room. Bro, you can die. I'll say you can die easily in this room. Please. Sleep, patience, sleep. patient is recovering. That surgery was damn crazy, bro. Ain't gonna lie. I thought she was gonna die mid-surgery. That was really crazy. Room 3, let's get room 3. Ma'am, come! Now. Whoa! Whoa! Did I just see a tweak? No, actually, guys, did I just see a tweak? I know she ain't tweaking. I know I saw her tweaking. Room 8. Have to do another surgery? Oh, come on. Well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Guys, this patient here, I think it might die. No offense, it might die. This patient might die. She almost died. Oh my gosh. Damn, let me leave. Cover. Damn. I almost killed that person. Okay, let's do this person. Oh. A lot of people. The bandage and then we're done. Okay, recovering. All of them are recovering. And then it's done. Still got room 7? Damn. Oh, you're safe. Damn. Canvas water machine. Okay. They're recovering, guys. Only one person to treat, and then we're done. Let's take sanity. Coffee. Wait, did everyone leave the game? No way everyone left the game and me and this guy. No way. Only me and this guy are here. Okay, not now. But I just feel bad for this guy. He doesn't even drink coffee, bro. Like, drink, bro. Okay, guys. 2 more patients and I'm gonna end this video. And then... No, not yet. The doctor has arrived. Whoa. There's been a huge anomaly attack. Oh my gosh. Damn. 6 people died and many more have been hurt. Be prepared, the ambulance is coming. Damn. Only 2 people. Damn, bro. No, we cannot do this. Hope this guy doesn't leave the game. Hope he doesn't think I'll leave. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, we need a lot of patients. A lot of patients have been hurt. Okay, Brian needs to treat other patients quickly. Where did this guy go? If he left, I'm leaving. A lot of patients about to die. He's recovering. Covered. This patient's Okay. The doctor is arriving. Oh, the doctor has arrived. Luckily, we saved everyone in time, guys. I'm not gonna lie, we saved everyone in time. Saved everyone in time. Damn, we saved everyone in time. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to end this video right here. Hope you all enjoyed it. I will do a part 2. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this.